Long ago, there was a creature who knew all the secrets of the world. People call her Baize. She could take any form. But tonight, she walks among you as one of you.
Get close, little ones, and let me share the stories the world has whispered to me since the dawn of time. The concept of Chinese New Year can be traced back to the mythical beast called Nian. Nobody really knows what it looks like, but some have described it as having a lion's head on a dog's body. A common belief, though, is that it will come out of hiding to prey on people and animals once a year. Nian was also thought to have unique eyeless hues, a fear of loud noise, fire, and the color red. That's why firecrackers, fireworks, and lion dances accompanied by vigorous drumming were often used to scare Nian away. These songs remain the hallmark of Chinese New Year festivities today. Trilingual were also put out on walls and doors for good measure. The color will work its magic, while the writing served as words of fortune for the year ahead. These days, even more popular than Trilingual are hongbao. Packed with cash, these are given by parents to their children, by married people to singles, and by employers to employees. Apart from warding off Nian, they are simply the best thing about Chinese New Year for kids.